Today we're going to recreate Daniela's makeup from Katseye. Did I get that right? Is it Daniela? I even tried to curl my hair just like hers, but like this is big curls. She has like smaller curls, but I'm obsessed with her makeup look. I love her makeup, so we're gonna recreate it today. So for a base, she doesn't look like she's wearing foundation, so I'm gonna use a skin tint, and I'm only gonna apply it where I want to be glowy, which is my cheeks. And with a foundation brush, I'm gonna blend it all. Next, we're gonna go in with concealer, and I'm gonna use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer because we didn't use a foundation or a skin tint that's like full coverage, so I'm gonna use a full coverage concealer. And I'm actually gonna apply a lot under my eyes because she has bright under eyes. While my concealer sets, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and hers are like fill in and straight up. Mine are going down, so that's the only issue today. So first I'm gonna brush my brows up, all the way up. Now I'm gonna shape my brows as close as I can to hers, and I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Clear gel, the e.l.f. brow pencil. I'm gonna brush my brows up like this, all the way up. And now I'm gonna shape them. While my brows are drying, we're gonna blend the concealer. I love this concealer. Look how bright my under eye is. Okay, I blended my concealer. Now it's time to go back with the brows, and I'm gonna fill them in. Precisely my brow pencil from Benefit. Now for eyeshadow, it's really simple. So I'm gonna grab this massive Louise eyeshadow palette. This is like their Christmas edition palette, I think. And I haven't officially used it yet, so we're gonna test this palette out today. I'm gonna grab this shade right here, which is shade Kiss of Christmas, because it looks really similar to hers. And I'm gonna blend it all over my eyelid and blend it out. Now I'm gonna do the same thing in the other eye. I'm gonna grab this shade right here, and it's called Stop and Shine, and I'm only gonna apply on the arc of my eye and then out. Okay, so eyeshadow is done. Now we're gonna do the iconic eyeliner. So if you see my previous makeup videos, you know I use these two. So I'm gonna see if there's any left in my She Glam Hello Kitty eyeliner. If there's nothing left in this, I'm just gonna use this one. This one's brand new, but I'm not gonna use the applicator of this one because it's really messy. So I'll just use this one to like dip it in there. So her eyeliner is really thin, but it goes all the way from here and like up. I don't know how to explain that. It does look like she uses an eyeshadow or a pencil to do the liner, but I'm gonna use liquid as a base, and then we can go on top with eyeshadow. I mean with like black eyeshadow. That eye look. Also, just know that I'm not finished with the rest of my face. I'm just focusing on the eyes right now. Lashes. So from what I'm seeing, she's not wearing fake lashes, and if she is, like really natural ones. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply some volume mascara. So for volume mascara, I'm gonna use the Kylie Lash. This is the Kylie Cosmetic mascara. This is the mini version, by the way. Like, look how good that mascara is. Well, I have like 3 lashes, but it's a really good mascara in my opinion. Now we also have to apply on our bottom lashes because she has mascara on her bottom lashes. So I'm going to use a waterproof mascara for this. This has a smaller and thinner brush. That's why I chose this one for my bottom lashes. Now for our face, has her bronzer like here and on her forehead. And we're going to do a tiny line here just so it looks like, you know, the fox eye, you know. And if this blends beautifully, then I found a dupe for my Rare Beauty. Wow, the size is even the same. And this was, I think this was like $1. I'm gonna grab my bronzer brush and I'm gonna blend it. What the? This blends even better than my Rare Beauty. Also, this is not sponsored. Like I just bought that product today, and I'm really happy I got to test it out. Okay, so it doesn't look like she's wearing blush in any of the pictures, or her blush is very peachy, orangey. I'm just gonna use this one because the other ones I have are pretty dark, and I'm gonna apply a tiny bit. I'm not even gonna apply too much blush. I think that is enough, but you can still see a difference. Like, there's blush, but there's not a lot. Now we're gonna set the face, so we're using Huda Beauty and apply under my eyes, the middle of my forehead, my chin. Grab my highlighter brush and just apply on the bridge. And now we're gonna apply powdered bronzer, and I'm just gonna apply wherever I applied the cream bronzer. Her makeup is very bronzy, so especially on the forehead. And if you don't have eyeshadow, you can actually use the bronzer as an eyeshadow. She has big lashes, and as you can see, I don't, like, you can't even see my lashes, so I'm gonna apply some natural ones. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell the difference on my lashes now. Probably not. I can clearly see it. Okay, these lashes were so freaking easy to apply. Like, look how seamless they are. Can you see that? No, you can't, because that's how good they are. Also, again, this is not sponsored. They actually sent me these as a gift. They're from the brand Velour. Velour self-adhesive auto-adhesive lashes. Okay, can you see a difference now with lashes? Now for this part, I'm excited. The lip. I'm deciding between these two shades. I think this one is gonna be the one. And her lips are not glossy, so no gloss today. You guys know how much I love gloss. First, we're gonna outline the lips. Did you guys notice how pale my lips are? That's my natural color of lips. I'm so freaking jealous of the people who like have natural pink lips. Like, you can't even see where my lip ends. Okay, now that we did that, we're gonna fill them in with a thicker lip liner. I'm just gonna fill in my lips with this. Take the clips off. Okay, I just finished my hair, and this is the final look. I try to make my hair as curly as possible, and she does have like braids all over here, but I couldn't do that, so why am I balding here? So I just took like 2 pieces of hair and then clipped them with 2 bobby pins. But I mean, the hair's looking nice. I even added the 2 rhinestones here because she has them in some pictures, so I'm guessing it's like a thing. I don't know, I just saw it in the picture, like, okay, I'm gonna add them too. I have like stars. I'm waiting for my eyeshadow palette to arrive so I can do like a Zara Larsson makeup look again, because she did different ones. But yeah, this is the final look. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Did I nail it? Did I not nail it? It's okay if I didn't. I don't think I fully did. It does look easy to recreate from what I was seeing in the pictures, but it's not that easy. If I should recreate someone else's makeup, please let me know in the comments. If you like the video, it will mean the world to me that you hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more makeup videos or hauls or vlogs. Subscribing, liking, or engaging in general helps a lot. I will see you guys next time. Bye!